Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from bank to bank using Wells Fargo. This can mean transferring money from one Wells Fargo account to another Wells Fargo account, or transferring money between Wells Fargo and a non-Wells Fargo bank account. Before we begin, make sure you are using the official Wells Fargo website or the official Wells Fargo mobile app. Also, never share your username, password, account number, routing number, or verification code with anyone. First, open the Wells Fargo website or the Wells Fargo mobile app. Sign in to your Wells Fargo accounts using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to the section called Transfer and Pay or Transfers. If you are on the mobile app, you may see Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Tap or click Transfer Money. Now you will see two main fields, From and To. In the From field, choose the account where the money will come from. For example, this could be your Wells Fargo checking account. In the To field, choose the account where you want the money to go. If you are transferring money between your own Wells Fargo accounts, simply choose the other Wells Fargo accounts from the list. For example, you can transfer from Wells Fargo Checking to Wells Fargo Savings. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Then choose the date for the transfer. You may also see a frequency option. If this is a one-time transfer, choose Once. If you want the transfer to repeat, you can choose a recurring option, such as weekly or monthly if available. After entering all the details, tap or click Continue. Now Wells Fargo will show you a review screen. Check the From account, the To account, the amount, and the transfer date. If everything looks correct, tap or click Submit. Your transfer request is now complete. If you want to transfer money to or from another bank, such as Chase, Bank of America, Capital One, or another U.S. bank account, you may need to add that bank account first. To do this, go back to Transfer and Pay or Transfers. Look for the option called Add Non-Wells Fargo Account. Select that option. Now enter the external bank account details. You may need the bank name, routing number, account number, and account type, such as checking or savings. Wells Fargo may ask you to verify the external account. This may be done through secure login or small trial deposits, depending on the option available. If Wells Fargo sends trial deposits, wait until the small deposits appear in your other bank account. Then return to Wells Fargo, open the external account verification section, and enter the exact deposit amounts. Once the external account is verified, it should appear in your transfer list. Now you can go back to transfer money. Choose your Wells Fargo account and the external bank account in the From and To fields. Enter the amount, choose the date, review the transfer, and submit it. Remember, bank-to-bank transfers may take time to process. The exact timing can depend on the bank, the account type, and whether the transfer is standard, same day, or scheduled for a future date. If you need to send money quickly to another person, Wells Fargo also offers Zelle inside Wells Fargo Online and the Wells Fargo mobile app. But only use Zelle with people you know and trust. And that's it. This is how you transfer money from bank to bank using Wells Fargo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next banking tutorial you want me to cover.